Today's topic is complex number. Welcome class 11 to my YouTube channel, Fearless Math Class. Topic is complex number. I will give you some example. Example number 1. Example 1. Question is find mod or modulus of this one. Okay, now this is z. Z equal to 5 minus 12i divided by minus 3 plus 4i. You multiply both numerator and denominator by conjugate. What is the meaning of conjugate? You put here minus 4. This is minus 4y. And total part is a and this part is a b. A square minus b square. A square minus 4ia whole square. And here you multiply 3 5s are 15 minus 36i minus 20i minus a plus 48i square. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 15 minus 20i minus 36i. This is equal to minus 56i. And 48i square is equal to minus 48. Because I already told the value of I square is minus 1. That's why I put here minus. And minus 3 square is equal to 9 minus 4 4s are 16 and I square is equal to minus 1 divided by plus. And here you put here plus. Now this is equal to minus 15 minus 48. 8 plus 5 3 5 and 6 minus 63 minus 56i divided by 16 plus 9, this is equal to 25. Now find the modulus. At first you convert a plus ib form. So what is a and what is b? Here a is equal to this and b is equal to this one. Now what is the modulus? This is a plus ib form. A equal to minus 63 by 25 and b equal to minus 56 by 25. Now the mod of z equal to root over of a square plus b square. The value is a square plus b square. This is equal to minus 63 by 25 square plus minus 56 by 25 a whole square. Okay, now calculate and find the result. This is equal to minus is absorbed 63 square by 25 square plus 56 square root. Now 63 square is 3969 and 56 square 3136 divided by 625 and total is this 7105 divided by 25. Okay, this is the value of modulus. At first you convert to a plus ib form and put the value of root over of a square plus b square and put here and find the result. Okay, now come to example number 2. Now question is I to the power 55 plus I to the power 60 plus I to the power 65 plus I to the power 70 is equal to what? Okay, so now you divide 4. 4 1 5 3. This is equal to 3 because I to the power 4 is 1. Divide 60 by 4. This is only 1 because I to the power 4 is 1, that's why. And 65, this 64 and 1, 64 and 1 means only I. And here 64 and 64, 68 and 2. This is equal to I square. I cube is minus I plus 1 plus I and I square is minus 1. This is answer is 0. Okay, at first you divide it by 4 and the remainder you put in upper part of I, and this is equal to 0. Okay. Now come to 3. Real value of theta such that this is real. Now what is the way? 1 plus I cos theta divided by 1 minus 2I cos theta. You multiply both upper part and lower part by conjugate. This is equal to cos theta. And here 1 plus 2I cos theta, or a square minus b square means minus 4I square cos square theta. And here 1 plus I cos theta, 1 plus 2I cos theta. Now this is equal to 1 plus I cos theta plus 2I cos theta plus 2I square cos square theta. 2I square cos square theta. Divided by 1. I square is positive. This is 4 cos square theta. This is equal to 2I cos theta plus I cos theta. 3I cos theta. 1 plus 3I cos theta. 2 square, I square is minus. This is 2 cos square theta. Divided by 1 plus 4 cos square theta. You convert A plus IB form. What is A and what is B? Now A is equal to this part 1 minus 2 cos square theta by 1 plus 4 cos square theta is a real, and imaginary part is I 3 cos theta divided by 1 plus 4 cos square theta. Question is, this is A plus IB, imaginary part is 0, only real. That's why implies that B equal to 0, where B equal to, this is equal to 3 cos theta divided by 1 plus 4 cos square theta. This is equal to 0. Now what is the value of theta? Put here. This is equal to 3 cos theta divided by 1 plus 4 cos square theta equal to 0. Implies that 3 cos theta is equal to 0, or implies that cos theta is equal to 0, or implies that theta equal to 90 degree. So the value of theta, total part is on only real value. Okay. Now start cube root of omega. Cube root of 1 or unity. What is cube root of 1? A cube plus b cube equal to 0. Now what is the value? X plus 1, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Either x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or 1 root over of minus 3 divided by 2, or 1 root over of root 3I by 2. This is the value if a cube plus b cube is equal to 0. This is 1 and this is 1 minus 1 and 1 plus root 3I divided by 2. Okay. Well, now what is the value of the question? If the question is a cube plus b cube, this is the question, a cube plus b cube. Now cube root of omega means this is cube root of x, cube root of unity. This is x cube is equal to 1, x cube minus 1 cube equal to 0. A my x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. In this way, x is equal to either 1 or x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or minus 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. Minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, this is called the omega. and minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. This is called the omega square. Okay. Now what is the cube root of unity? This is equal to omega cube equal to what? If you put here omega, this is equal to 1, and another formula is 1 plus omega square equal to 0. You put here 1 plus omega square equal to 0. This is called the cube root of unity. Cube root of unity means 1. Omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And this is called the omega, and another one is called the omega square. This is x. We put here omega. The omega is equal to 1 and omega square is this and omega cube is this. Now go to example. Example number 1. To the power 20. Now we know omega cube is equal to 1. Now this is equal to omega cube to the power 3. 3 is a 9. This omega cube is equal to 1. You know. What is, you divide 20 by 3. 3, 8, 6, 3, 18 and 2. This is equal to 3 to the power 6 into omega to the power 2. Omega cube is equal to 1 and this is omega square. The reduced answer is omega 20 equal to omega square. Okay. To prove that 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega to the power 4, 1 minus omega to the power 8 is equal to 9. Start from LHS. Okay. 1 minus omega. 1 minus omega square. This is equal to 1 minus omega cube into omega. This is equal to 1 minus omega 6 into omega square. So 1 minus omega square. Omega cube is 1. Only you write 1 minus omega. Omega to the power 6 also 1. You write omega square. This is 1 minus omega whole square. 1 minus omega square is square. A minus b whole square. 1 minus omega 2 omega plus omega square. 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega to the power 4. This is equal to 1 minus 2 omega plus omega square. 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega 4 means omega cube into 1. Only you write omega. Now calculate and find the result. This is equal to 1 minus 2 omega square plus omega minus 2 omega minus a plus 4 into omega cube minus 2 into omega square plus omega square minus a plus minus 2 into omega to the power 4 plus omega cube. This is 2 omega square, 1 minus 2 and 2, 4 omega square and 2 omega minus omega cube is 1, only 4 you write, plus omega square minus 2 omega plus omega cube is 1. Now this is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 and 5, 6. You write here 6 and this is 3 omega and minus equal to 3 omega square. 6 minus 3 you common, omega square plus omega. You know 1 plus omega square equal to 0. And now omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you put here 6 minus 3 minus 1. 6 minus a plus 3. This is equal to 9. RHS root. Okay student, that's all for today. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please press the like button and write in comment box. If you have any doubts, write in the comment box, and for further notification you press bell icon. Thank you very much. That's all for today.